In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to use Freely on your television. For the purpose of this video, we are using a Bush Freely model. This video applies to other brands that use the Freely user interface, although it might look slightly different. This video applies to TVs that have the Freely platform enabled. The user interface may look slightly different depending on the brand of your television. Freely is a smart TV streaming service that allows users to watch TV via the internet for free. Firstly, ensure that you are connected to the internet. If you are unsure on how to do this, please watch our video on how to connect to Wi-Fi. Additionally, there are two ways you can watch live television with Freely. You will either need to have an aerial connected to your television, or you can watch live television over the internet. To watch live television over the internet, ensure that internet channels are enabled. From the home screen, you can scroll left and up to search for a specific program or film. Please note that you will need to subscribe to some streaming providers like Netflix and Amazon Prime. If you scroll back down to the home screen, then scroll right, you will be given a selection of content, including recommended films as well as new releases. Scrolling left to the list of options, you can find TiVo Plus Free. From here, you can see a list of different streaming platforms and films that are free to watch. To see what TV shows are available to watch, scroll down from TiVo Plus Free and scroll right. The TV shows are listed by genre, allowing you to narrow your search down to find what you're looking for. It is also possible for you to go through films by genre. To do this, scroll left to the list of options and scroll down to Movies. If you would like to add a movie or TV show to your watch list, press OK on your chosen TV show or film. Then, scroll up and press OK on Watch List. You can then navigate to Watch List and press OK on the remote. From here, you can choose what you would like to watch. Finally, to watch live TV, press the Guide button on the remote. Then, scroll down to your desired channel and press OK on the remote. Your Freely television is now ready to use.